Good morning, Facebook family. Sarah Louise here. So I thought I'd just do a quick Facebook Live while I'm out walking Gizmo. Thought kill two birds with one stone. Fingers crossed the connection should be okay today because the weather's a lot better. So look, all the snow's gone already. Can't believe this crazy weather. So weather's a lot better for me to be able to do a Facebook Live from outside. So I just wanted to talk today about finding some more leads for yourself on Facebook that are already there that you may not realise are there. So whenever you do a business type of post or something that's going to be attracting people that are looking for a business, maybe in a business, maybe struggling, might be wanting to change, looking for a multiple income stream, you need to be doing what we call chasing your likes. Now every post that you've done, you should be getting likes, you should be getting love hearts on them, you should be getting likes, you should be getting comments. Are you actually following up with all of those likes? Because if you're not, they are fresh leads that are showing interest in your posts, they're showing interest in what you do, they're supporting what you do, so you need to be following back up with these people. So if you're not getting people inboxing you, they may not have the confidence to reach out to you direct, but are interested in what you have to say and interested in what you have to offer. Therefore, it's up to you now to take that step and show your confidence in your business by reaching out to them. And I would just start off with, thank you very much for supporting my post. I saw that you liked my post on blah, blah, blah. Say what it is to remind them why you're reaching out. But then don't go straight in for a sell. Don't try and pitch them something. Just say, would you like me to explain more about how it works? You're not trying to close them. You're not trying to sell. If you say, oh, are you interested in joining? To me, that sounds like you're just going straight in for the kill. Like, oh, I'm going to make some money out of you. Don't mention that at all, but lead with the value. So would you like me to explain more how it works? Are you interested? Would you like me to just briefly go over what it is that I do? Straight away, you're coming across as somebody helpful, but yet you're not pitching or you're not selling. Just changing the way that you word things can make you look like you're really helpful, which you should be doing. You're enabling them to understand more about what you do, but you're not going in from a pitchy, salesy, pressurized, way that they're going to go, oh, no, you're making me feel under pressure. But if you just come in with an angle where you want to help explain what it is that you do, then that is then where you'll start to get more conversions. So you've already got people on your page that are already looking at what it is that you do. But I think so many people forget to follow up with these people. And the better your posts become, the more likes that you're going to get on these posts. You might start off with just 2 or 3 if you're new into the industry. But as you get better and better and better, those likes can go up to like 100 plus. That's a lot of people showing interest. And some of them may just want to support you and be not interested in your business, and that's okay. But still reach out to them anyway, show some gratitude and thank them for supporting you, because every like on your post is helping you in your business anyway. So even if they don't, want to join you, it's great to still reach out back to them and be grateful to them for liking and supporting your business. So, if you're running out of people to talk to, please do this week, and you'll start to have more connections with people. Now remember, with the Facebook algorithm, it doesn't always have to be you commenting on their posts for you to appear in their newsfeed. If you reach out to somebody in Messenger and you're talking one-on-one, your posts will then start to appear in their newsfeed. It activates the algorithm again. So it's not just all about liking and commenting their posts for you to be seen in their newsfeed. It also works when you contact them in Messenger. So if you activate that conversation again between you two, maybe it's the first time you've ever spoken, maybe it's somebody on your friends list you've never actually, communicated with. It could possibly be a follower that's not even on your friends list, somebody completely new that you didn't even know was even watching you. But the more people you can connect with and talk to on a daily basis to build up that relationship, the more conversions that you will have and the more successful you will be in your business. So I just wanted to just give these few helpful little tips while I'm out in the park. I hope there's been some help for all of you that are watching. But please, by all means, share this video with your team, share it with your group, share it on your wall if you feel like it will benefit other people. And I hope you all have a great day. I'm going to go now. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye. Ooh. Just put him in the park.